beeswax wrap, and this is a really great alternative to plastic wrap in your kitchen. If you guys listen to my Happier and Healthier podcast, you know that I have a lot of functional medicine doctors on there, and one of the things that they repeatedly say is that we need to reduce our exposure to plastics and other toxic chemicals as well. And the reason for that is plastics can manipulate our hormones and just have a negative effect on our health. So the way that you use a beeswax wrap, and just so you know what this is a piece of organic cotton cloth that is coated with beeswax on both sides. So it's this nice pliable material. And you can use it directly with a fruit or vegetable. If you want to save this, just take it and you'll use the heat of your hands to press down on it, and it forms this nice little packet. Then you can put this right into your fridge. Or if you have, let's say, a bowl of food that you want to save, you would just use one of these larger sheets, and same thing, use the heat of your hands to just press down, and that forms a nice seal. You can hold it for a few seconds and put that right into your fridge. So super simple, inexpensive, earth-friendly way to preserve your food. And if you want to, or not if, when you want to wash it, you just simply rinse this under the sink and then let it dry. So if you're looking for an alternative to plastic wrap and you want to get plastic out of your kitchen, I highly recommend beeswax wraps.